Hey y'all, welcome back to Limetime with Kofi. I am your host, Kofi Annan. Hey look, today we are doing it big, as in the king crab legs. Look, if you love seafood, it doesn't get any more delicious than the king crab legs. They are easy to make, but they're super delicious. So I'm gonna run through that real quick with you guys. It takes about 20 minutes, very few ingredients, and hey, you're gonna love it. Alright, so here's a quick rundown of the ingredients. We're going to start off with about 2 sticks of melted butter. Then we're going to toss in our chopped up garlic, parsley flakes, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, curry, ginger, lemon, and onion powder. And again, I'll put all the actual amounts of the ingredients into the description, so you don't have to worry about that right now. Then we're just going to combine all these ingredients into the butter. Like I said, this is a really simple process, so alright, so now we're just going to take a spoon or a whisk and we're just going to mix them up. Didn't I tell you this process was simple? Alright, so step 2, we're just going to put our crab legs into our Pyrex here, and then we're just going to baste the crab legs with the butter sauce mix. Throw it on there nice and thick. All right, so once we're done basting, we're gonna take all the extra butter sauce and we're just gonna pour it all over the crab legs. And we're gonna use that extra butter sauce there as our dipping sauce when we're done. All right, so now that we've put all the sauce over the crab legs, if you want, you could add some corn in there and you could just dip the corn, just roll it around in the sauce. And if you notice, I put the lemons, a couple of slices of lemons in there as well. All right, so now we're gonna pop in the oven at about 375 for about 20 minutes or so. And that's it. And here we have our finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Your mouth should be watering right now. I tell you, this is beyond amazing. The curry just gives us a really nice twist to it. And everything just comes out really juicy. So this works on any crab, obviously, but the king crab leg is just so succulent that it just blows your mind. Okay, y'all, so this is it. I hope you try this recipe out. Let us know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe. We really do appreciate the support. And here are all of our social media handles. We're all at Soul Local Food. If you want to make a donation, we definitely do appreciate that. And we would love to use their donations to continue to make great content like this. So until next time, keep liming, folks.